Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to do a really quick, like as quick as I can, kind of makeup look because my friends are putting me on a timer. So let's jump right into it. Hey dolls, so we're going to start with our primer, and this is the Hourglass Veil Primer in a little sample size from Sephora. And we're just going to spread that across the face evenly. Make sure you take it down as far as you take your foundation because I blend pretty low. Now that that's dried down, we're going to go in with the Bare Minerals Concealer and clean up under these brows, child. So I'm basically just putting a very thin line underneath my eyebrows and I'm flicking away the excess so that it blends into my eye because we're going to go over the eye anyway. So I'm just going to press that in and make sure it's kind of like blended out and smooth so that your eyeshadow goes on smooth. Now we're going to go in with the Sacha Buttercup and set that. Now we're going into the Soft Glam palette. Okay, so now I'm going to take one of my looser blending brushes and I'm going to go into the color Rustic, and that's going to be like the main color of this look. It's going to be the base for sure. So I'm taking that in my crease, but if you notice, I'm like really loose with it, allowing it to go on the lid and a little bit outside of my eye socket, moving it from the inner corner to the outer corner. Okay, again, we're going to go in with Rustic, but this time with a flat brush so that the color's more defined and packed on there. Now we're going to go into the color Dusty Rose and go right on top of that, creating a little dimension. When you build up your colors and layer them, you get the dimension kind of look, and that's what we're going for. And I'm legit just going over it until I get the look that I desire. So now we're going to go in with Cyprus under Umber. And we're going to put that on the outer corner and into the crease a little bit. Just to smoke it up a little. So I decided I want to brighten up the look, so I'm going to take Burnt Orange and take that on the inner corner of my lids. Just to brighten it up. I didn't want to look like nobody's panda out here. You feel me? Pandas are cute, but I am no panda. And I'm just going to blend that out so I'm not out here looking crazy. Mascara as usual. If you would like to see that slow down, just let me know. We're going to go in with the Hourglass Vanish. Is it the Vanish foundation in the color Walnut? If you see, this thing look orange. Maybe you can't tell, but in person, I look like a little Oompa Loompa, y'all. But we're going to work it out to see how it looks in the end. You don't know if you don't try, right? So now we're just going to blend that out with a flat kabuki brush. Blend, blend, blend. Cover up those blemishes. We don't want no imperfections. Okay, thank you. That wasn't enough coverage, so we're going to go in again. Look like I belong to somebody's tribe. Yes, honey, yes. Again, we're just going to blend that out. And you guys can't tell on camera. Maybe you can. That foundation was super orange. I'm going to go with my flat brush and get blended a little bit more around my eyebrows and things like that. Why am I holding my other brush like a candlestick? I have no idea, y'all. Okay, that was too orange, so I'm going to go in with my Fenty foundation in the color 440 and just kind of even that out and match my skin tone a little bit more. And that absolutely did the trick. jawline, girl. Alright, Too Faced Sweet Peach Palette. I am going into the color Luscious, and that's going to be my brow bone highlight and my inner corner highlight. You want to make sure you blend that into the eye look and not just set it there. Okay, we're going to go into the Bobbi Brown foundation stick in the color Espresso. And we're going to contour this face, y'all. We don't need the nose. I like my little pudgy nose. My little pudgy face, not so much. So we're going to contour that jawline. You want to blend that in so it seems seamless. And what that does is creates like a shadow look. And I only do that more so at night. We're going to go into the ABH Blush Kit. I no longer have that kit, so I can't even tell you what color that is. I'll link it down below. And I'm just going to keep applying until I'm satisfied. We're going to go into the Killawatt highlighter by Fenty Beauty. I'm going to use both of them. And we're going to glow. We're going to apply it till I feel like I'm glowing. And with that as well, you do want to blend that into your blush. Ooh, so pretty. Put a little bit on the tip of the nose, the bridge of the nose, the Cupid's bow. I'm going to go in with my NYX concealer in the color Tan because I completely forgot to conceal my face. Not going to go over my nose because I just put my highlighter there. But if you notice, I'm like barely dabbing any on and I'm not taking it too low because I've already done my blush and my highlighter. But that does not mean that I can't still conceal my face. And I'm being very careful to make sure it's blended out but not taken too low. Because I'm not about to cover up my highlighter. Blend, blend, blend. You want to make sure that it's super blended. Blend until you can't blend no more. Okay, I'm going to go on with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder and I'm just going to set that really quickly. Fuck it. Set the whole face. Wipe away any excess because sometimes I can be a little heavy-handed. Okay, I'm going to go into Dusty Rose and take that under the eye. I'm taking Dusty Rose first with a fluffy brush because I actually want that color to show up. But then I'm going to use it again as my blending color. So I'm going to take a flat brush and go into Cyprus Umber. And I'm going to put that very close to my waterline. Not in it, but very close to my waterline. And I'm like packing that thing on there. Make sure you take it all the way to the corners. And then I'm going to go back into Dusty Rose. I'm going to blend that out. Sorry that I have my head down. That was just the best way I can do it without poking myself in the eye, y'all. Okay, we're going to pack on some mascara on those bottom lashes, because if you have the top heavy, you got to balance it with the bottom. You don't want to look like a little bald chicken at the bottom. Alright, I've applied my lipstick off camera, and that is Ruby Woo by MAC. And I'm going to take, what am I going to take? Oh, I'm going to do my inner corner. And that's the same color Luscious from the Sweet Peach Too Faced palette. Make it pop. Alright, I told y'all I'm the queen of samples. This is a sample of the Urban Decay Oil Control Setting Spray. So I'm going to just spray that all over my face, and I'm going to let it dry. And that is the completed look. Hey guys, so this is a completed look. I'm super excited because I haven't gone with a bold lip in quite some time. And I actually didn't overdo it on my eyes for the first time ever when trying to achieve a subtle eye and a bold lip. So here we go. And my eyebrows look good today. I'm just excited. I love the way it came out. We are about to go to the carnival, so I'm about to head out the door because y'all know I'm late as usual. Let's just get it out there. I told them I was on my way 30 minutes ago, but they should have known. They're my friends. They know that I wasn't on my way because I'm never on my way. But anyway, so I used the Veil Primer with the Veil Foundation. I felt a little orange. That's why I added the Fenty in there. I felt a little orange, but I like the way it turned out. I'll try it by itself next time when I don't have somewhere to go and I could risk looking silly. Alrighty guys, again, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up. This was actually a quick makeup look, y'all. Like, I'm really proud of myself. First time ever. If you liked it, give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.